Hey guys, an update on the metals company. Interesting, extended trading hours, but that was the last video about. For now, yeah, to me it looks easier to analyze this with the regular trading hours chart. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on this one. Just quickly to remind you, we talked about potentially a 1-2, 1-2, and then we're gonna break out now. Now working on this wave 2 here. Maybe it's finished, but it's possible that it's gonna extend. Okay, do a B wave here in red, and then one more push to the downside, or it is already finished and we're already in this wave 4, and this is gonna take a longer time, maybe like a triangle, maybe an extended correction, but then longer in time than an extended correction for this wave 2, maybe like this. But it's too early to say which one we are in. That's why I have both scenarios on the chart. This wave 2 here or this A wave here could be now working on a B wave with then a C wave still to come, or an A, B, C, D, E still to come, but we have to wait for more data. That's the bearish scenario. Bullish scenario is that this was it and we're now already working to try and push and make new highs. For that, I interpret this move up from the lows as a wave 1 here, then an A, B overshooting and a C wave, because if I put wave 1 here, then we hit the 886. And you know, for a wave 2, I don't want to see an 886 hit. So like this, it makes more sense. And then from this low, 1, 2, potentially another 1, 2, and then maybe even here another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now maybe another 4, 5, and then we would need another 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 4, 5, and then another 4, 5. Would be nice to get. And then if we get that, this move up will be, in my opinion, also too long for it to be a C wave within this A wave. Like, if we want to be bearish, we want to see this ABC and this A wave here, then a B wave, and then a C wave to get to this box. Okay. But if it keeps pushing like this, then I'm gonna lean more towards the bullish scenario. If we now drop from here on Monday, we could be in this. This is a corrective move. But again, like I said, we are really in between two scenarios. All I can say is the risk here was lower than buying here now, because again, I'm not sure in which scenario we are in. What I can do is I can, for the bullish scenario, pull fibs here from this low to where we are now, toggle on wave 4 fibs, and then ideally for this scenario, the bullish scenario, this wave 4 does not overlap with the wave 1. That's one thing. And then does not hit the 618, but to hit this we need the overlap, so we will only look at wave 1. We don't want overlap, so we don't want price to retrace this deep. Okay, we can maybe backtest this point of control here, taken from this range. This blue line is now back below us, and then the first fib starts at $6.47. Okay. Let me check one more thing. If this is a wave 1, if this is a wave 2, we have met minimum requirements for wave 3, so that's good. And we have really stretched even above the 1.618. So once we pass the 1.618, it's also becoming a less, like it becomes less likely that it's a C wave, because if we have an A, B, C, a C wave going beyond the 1.618, it becomes less likely and more likely that it's a wave 3. Okay. So yeah, and we have volume kicking in. I'll still keep both scenarios on the chart, and yeah, we'll watch these fibs and the point of control at $6.60. And I'll try to keep you posted on Monday or Tuesday. It's a very difficult chart, in my opinion, because it's such a volatile stock, and we are really on the micro now. So again, to just remind you, if we zoom out, it could be that we are just ultimately working on a B wave and we will go down in a C wave, or we will just do a triangle and extend this correction. But short term, we can just focus on these fibs as long as we hold and don't overlap here. We can focus on the bullish scenario. If we drop too much and if we overlap here with wave 1, then we will change it to ABC in a wave A. This will be a B that can overlap, and then we will do a C in this wave A, and then we will do a larger B wave and then maybe a larger C wave to ultimately push towards $9-10, okay, before then dipping deeper. That's what I'm thinking, that's what I'm looking for. And yeah, I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.